Davi's commitment to innovation extends beyond just machinery. We offer the highest level of customization in the market to ensure that our MCB 4-roll plate rolls meet the specific needs of any customer. At Davi, we understand that each production requirement is unique. Our R&D and technical departments excel in processing the specifications of the customers to deliver a comprehensive solution that maximizes the investment. Whether it's small or medium capacity machines, customization is key to supporting a wide range of production needs across various industrial sectors. Each MCB machine is equipped with state-of-the-art control systems designed to enhance usability and performance. In fact, the advanced CNC technology ensures even the least experienced operators can achieve the required tolerances with maximum repeatability. The CNC systems are also expandable, designed to accommodate future needs. Our systems allow for the easy integration of auxiliary equipment like overhead and side supports or gantry loaders whenever required. In the industry since 1966, Davi creates solutions tailored to each customer's unique challenges. This experience and dedication to quality mean you will receive a machine that is not just ready for today's tasks, but it is equipped for tomorrow's opportunity as well.